And isa pa sa probably na ile-let go ko is vlogging. Hindi na siguro. Quick story time lang. I think this is also
Anong
one of
airline?
the best place
Malaysia?
para ikwento ko sa inyo ang aking tatahaking journey. Kasi before pandemic, I was already quick story time lang. I think this is also one of the best place para ikwento ko sa inyo ang aking tatahaking journey. Kasi before pandemic, I was already taking up dentistry. Nag-online schooling ako noon. Kasi it's something na gusto kong i-pursue dahil gusto ko nang mag-settle down. All my life kasi I've been traveling eh. All my life I've been traveling and also growing up since my mom is separated and my father and mother is
May
separated.
nag-a-announce sila eh. That's all
Parang
we
lagi
have
ako palipat-lipat. Tapos dahil flight attendant si mama, exposed din ako sa traveling. And gusto ko na yung feeling na magsa-settle down na ako. Wherein magsistay na ako sa isang place. Doon na ako tatanda or yung hindi na ako umaalis. Ayoko na yung pakiramdam ng umaalis ako ng bansa. Ayoko na yung pakiramdam ng nawawala ako ng ilang araw sa Pilipinas. And also, nag-consider na rin kasi akong tumira. Or nag-consider na ako mag-migrate as a nurse. Kasi di ba nurse kami ni John. Nag-consider na ako mag-migrate somewhere pero hindi nagmamaterialize. Until such time na dumating yung pandemic, nakita ko yung lifestyle na gusto ko. Which is mag-migrate pero hindi sa ibang bansa. Mag-migrate pabalik ng Pampanga. Mag-migrate within the Philippines kasi I've been living in Manila for quite some time na. Gusto ko na ma-experience na mag-settle na ng roots or mag-settle down na yung hindi na ako umaalis. And so I've decided to take up dentistry and third year na ako during the pandemic. Ano ako noon? Working student ako my first year, second year kasi lumilipad kami sa umaga and then nagtatrabaho ako sa gabi or vice versa. Kung minsan nag-e-exam ako sa ibang bansa. Kasi doon yung flight ko. It was a sacrifice but a worth it one. Parang umuulan eh, no? Kasi mist yan. Mist yan ng nung Niagara Falls. And then when the time come na nag-aaral ako, biglang dumating, lalayo ako sa mist. Biglang dumating yung opportunity na magkaroon ako ng baby. Ayan. So, everything was going smooth and everything was going well as planned. And then, kasi hindi pwedeng sabay-sabay mong gagawin eh. Hindi pwedeng working ka, studying ka, father ka, nag-gym ka. Hindi pwedeng marami kang dinajuggle na gawain sa buhay. You have to let go of one thing or one passion for you to pursue another one. Kagaya nung nag-gym ako noon, nung panahong payat ako, ang focus ko is gym and flying. Gym dragon boat or flying dragon boat. Flying schooling. Hindi sila sabay-sabay, hindi ko ma-accomplish. Kaya naniniwala ako na in order for you to do great, you have to let go of one thing first. So ngayon, ile-let go ko na yung flying. Kasi I wanna be able to fulfill my last and ultimate dream, which is becoming a dentist. Gusto ko na mag-aral at magtrabaho sa Pampanga. Gusto ko nang mag-settle down. And isa pa sa probably na ile-let go ko is vlogging. Hindi na siguro ito magiging continuous for me. Masaya naman na ako sa Facebook and TikTok and Instagram. Pero sa YouTube, siguro hindi na magiging kagaya as how I do it before. Mas magpo-focus na ako sa schooling and pagiging father. I will be letting go of my flying career in order for me to gain another profession. And now, in order for me to become, oh my God, ang sarap naman ng feeling na dito ko to talaga ginagawa yung vlog na to. With this view.
Bilis.
So, with that,
Gusto pa niya
I
mag-ano
am
pa
just
kami.
thankful kasi
Skyway kami.
sa support na binigay nyo na nag-vlog ako
Ma'am, may toll gate
and
dito sabi ko.
for being there.
Sabi ko,
So yan ang bago
Kuya,
ko sa
sabi ko.
happy journey. I'm gonna be studying dentistry and become a doctor of dental medicine.
sabi ko,
Kaya dito ko na ina-announce to kasi I'm sure when this vlog is posted, nag-aaral na ako. And by that time, since nakafocus ako sa studying and being a father,
nakita niya maluwag.
baka hindi na ako madalas makikita sa YouTube. Sa social media, here and there, pero hindi na kasing frequent like how I do it when I was flying. Kasi sa flying, wala naman ako masyadong iniisip, trabaho, pagiging father. Eh pag nagsuschool, puyatan na yan, lalo pat mahirap ang dentistry. Kaya na-anticipate ko na yung magiging lifestyle ko. Ako kasi naniniwala ako na basta mangarap ka ng mangarap, fulfill your dreams, hindi mo man sila makamit ng sabay-sabay, makakamit mo naman sila ng isa-isa. Yes ba? Parang mangarap ka na mangarap, hindi mo sila makukuha ng sabay-sabay. Pero isa-isa sila darating sa iyong buhay. Naniniwala ako doon. Kaya, ayun, magchika na naman tayo mamaya. Mag-made of the mist tayo ngayon. Bye! Quick story time lang.